Oh, hi everyone. It's Miss Nicky here. I was just writing a letter to my friends. I haven't seen my friends in a while, and I miss my friends. Have you seen your friends? No. That's probably because we are self-isolating, meaning we've chosen to stay away just for a little while so that everybody stays well. Now remember, there are lots of ways to say hello to your friends. Maybe you can hop on a phone and say hello to your friends. Or you might like to write a letter like Miss Nicky, or draw a picture. I've written a letter to my Nana and it says, I love you. Now if you like, you can ask a grown-up to help you put that letter in an envelope like this. And a grown-up can put a stamp in the corner for you. So if you give it to a mailman, they'll be able to send it to your friends. And it won't be long, we'll all be able to see each other again soon. We can do this, everyone. And I'll see you really soon. Bye, friends.